Most plumbing businesses are losing hours every week, just because they are using the wrong apps or no apps at all. Most people think more tools means more confusion, but here's the truth no one tells you. The right apps don't complicate your business, they simplify it and help you make more money with less stress. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for plumbing businesses in 2026 that help you get more leads, book more jobs, manage your team, and get paid faster. Whether you're a solo plumber like Jake or running a small crew like John, these tools will make your business run smoother starting this week. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most plumbers lose jobs not because they are bad at the work, but because they miss calls or reply too late. That's where apps like Jobber and Housecall Pro come in. They help you track leads, schedule jobs, and send instant replies. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These apps also send automatic reminders so customers don't forget appointments, which means fewer cancellations and more money in your pocket. But here's the problem. Getting jobs is only half the battle. If you don't look professional, customers won't trust you. That's why apps like Google Business Profile and Yelp Business help you show up on Google when someone searches plumber near me. Alex, a small plumber in Texas, doubled his calls just by updating his profile weekly with photos and reviews. Now let's talk money. Getting paid late is one of the biggest headaches in plumbing. Apps like QuickBooks and Square fix this. You can send invoices immediately after a job and get paid on the spot. No more chasing clients for weeks. Now here's where it gets interesting. The fastest growing plumbing businesses in 2026 are using GPS and routing apps like Google Maps and ServiceAtn to finish more jobs per day. Less driving, more earning. Communication also matters. Apps like WhatsApp Business and Slack keep your team connected instantly. No missed messages. No confusion on job sites. For marketing, apps like Canva help you create before and after posts that attract local customers. And tools like MailChimp help you send follow-up emails so customers call you again when they need help. For estimates, apps like Joist and Jobber let you send clean, professional quotes in seconds. This alone can help you win more jobs because customers trust fast responses. Now let's not forget customer reviews. Apps like Nichejob automatically ask customers for reviews after a job is done. That means more 5-star ratings without extra effort. If you want to grow faster, apps like Thumbtack and Angie help you find high-intent customers who are already looking for plumbers. And here's a small but powerful one. Google Calendar helps you stay organized so you never double book or forget jobs again. Finally, automation tools like Zapier connect all your apps together. That means less manual work and more focus on actual plumbing jobs. So, here are the key takeaways. Use apps to get more leads, stay organized, get paid faster, and build trust with customers. Don't try to use everything at once. Start with 3 to 4 apps, master them, and scale from there. If you apply even a few of these tools, you'll notice fewer missed jobs, faster payments, and a more professional business overall. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what business you want next, and subscribe for more real-world business growth strategies.